Hi everyone, this is Rashisha Vlogs and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a new video. So I'll be showing my first creation of Lego which I made today. As you see, I made this robot right here which I'm going to show right now. So let's get in the video. So guys, here's the robot I was talking about right here. As you see, I made it today. So it's kind of big and I do like it. So I'm going to demonstrate the features of this robot which I made. So this is the shield, as you see right here, the shield. So this can turn, as you can see. I just used some random pieces to make this. And there's like a book which is I just got somewhere from my house. So it's a Lego book which is like a creation book of so much instructions of Lego ideas. So I see this is shield. This is the fan, cooling fans. So here's the main fan. There are two fans in this robot. So I mix and match all the pieces and got into a special robot. Here's the cooling fans. So you can bend them. And so here's a person right here, which is like an astronaut. And here's that Lego piece which is stuck right in. Here's the origami shooter. When you bend that, you'll come take on here. So here's the main compartment. Here's the Ferrari logo right here, as you can see that. Right here, if I zoom with that. So this is the smart rod thing. Like for some cars they might have this, and some blue pieces and orange pieces mostly. And here's some car tires right here, as you can see. So total tires are there is like 10 tires are there total in this vehicle. And if you want to like go, you can go like as a car, but you have to remove all the pieces which are like blocking it. And here's the like a fan. It's like a wings of a plane, like a ski jet, which is there. And there's even like a hook behind this, as you can see. The hook is right here, behind this, right here. And there's some two characters right here, as you can see, the characters. And there's this like some small robot thing, which I just mix and match myself. And there's even more creation which you can make. And this is by myself. If you want, you can make your own. And as you see, these are the wings right here. This is the wings like a jet. If you untouch it, go like a flight. Mostly it's made of bricks right here in the middle, as you see. Two characters right here. And as you see, the legs, kind of cool. And there's even a fan in the top. You can spin it like this. It's like a cooling fan. And here's the shade. Like imagine if something like just hit this, so it'll be extra protection for this robot. And yeah, this can even detach itself, as you can see. You can even combine it back afterwards. If you untouch it, just detach itself. As you see, this is like a sword right here. And this is one more shade which I just kept for extra precautions. Here's the sides. Here's the back. Here's right here. As I said, there was two cooling fans. As you see, one is right here, right there. And that's pretty much it. So here's the full area. Shade, the shield. This is the shield right here which I was talking about, which can move. I see, can move right there in the couplers right there. Here's the person, which is the astronaut, and he's located right here, looking at the camera. I'll call him Sam. He does has a pretty cool detail in his shirt. As you see, the wheels are right here. The legs. As you see, the cooling fans right here, which can bend also. And this can also move, as I said. A nice Ferrari logo. So this robot needs a lot of shield, because if something hits this, might fall the backside. So here's like some satellite torch light. This is an emergency boat right here. This can turn right as I said. Detach. Here's the main body in the middle, as it's covered by blocks. There are some co-pilots right here, Justin and Wilson. So there are two captains in this plane. So they are the chief helpers of the main captain. Those are the servants of him, Sam, the king of this robot. As you see, this is the cooling fan. It's not just any ordinary fan, it can spin. As you see, it can spin like this. So when you spin it, it can spin. It's pretty cool. Here's the back. Oh, I forgot to mention that there's a hook behind this, right here. And this is the main shield which I said before. And here's the sword. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos in Roshan Isak Vlogs. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.